Vanakkam everyone, welcome back to Tamil Munchies. Today we are sharing how to make this Anku Kueh. Ang means red and Ku means tortoise. So direct translation is red tortoise cakes. These cakes are made during celebrations, especially during the celebration of the full moon of a newborn baby, because according to the Chinese, the tortoise symbolizes longevity. It's normally stuffed with red bean paste. In the previous videos, we have shared two types of stuffing. Keep following us, we'll be sharing more recipes as we go. In this video, we have chosen to use the chickpea filling. What you need is 1 1/4 cup of glutinous rice flour and a little extra for dusting, 1 tablespoon of plain flour, half a cup of water, a few drops of red color which is optional, a little salt, a little oil, preferably peanut or coconut oil, a few pieces of banana leaf cut into 4 by 4 inches. You can use parchment paper instead if banana leaves are not available. Anku Kueh mold if it's available. Transfer the glutinous rice flour and plain flour into a mixing bowl. Add in a pinch of salt. Mix it well. Add the food coloring into the water and stir it. Now add the colored water into the mixture. Add a little at a time while stirring it. For those who do not want to use the food coloring, you can leave it white or you can use pandan juice, which will give it a nice color and aroma. Once all the water is added, you can go in with your fingers. It's easier to use your fingers to knead the dough. If you feel the dough is a bit wet, add a little more glutinous rice flour and knead it until you get the correct texture. Once it's nice and smooth to handle, divide it into 8 equal parts. Roll it until it forms into a nice smooth ball. Once that's done, we can start with the filling. Choose the type of filling you want to use. We are using chickpea filling for this recipe. Take a little amount of filling and roll it into a ball. The amount should be slightly smaller than the size of the dough. For best result, you must use more stuffing and the dough shouldn't be too thick. Once all these have been prepared, we can start making the kueh. Dust your fingers with some of the flour, puncture a hole in the center and shape it into a little bowl. Practice a few times, you'll get the hang of it. Once that is done, place one of the filling inside, fold the edges in and roll it into a ball. Make sure it is sealed properly. Once that's done, place it on a lightly greased banana leaf if you don't have the Anku Kueh mold. Since we are using the Anku Kueh mold, we are going to get everything ready before we start doing the pressing. Now we have prepared everything. Before we start, lightly brush the banana leaves with some oil. This is the Anku Kueh mold. If you observe, it has the imprint of a tortoise. Lightly dust it with some glutinous rice flour. Place the prepared kueh inside and lightly press it. Once that's done, tap it and place it on a banana leaf. Sometimes the first piece might be difficult to pop out. If that happens, use more flour for dusting. Let me show you another one. It's actually easier to pop it out if you tap it on your palm. Now you can place it on a greased banana leaf or greased parchment paper. Arrange it neatly on a steaming tray. Get a steamer ready. Once the steamer is ready, place it in. Cover and let it steam for about 10 minutes. Now this has been steaming for about 10 minutes. Remove the lid. Lightly brush every piece with some oil. This is to avoid it from sticking to each other. Place the lid again and continue to steam for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's already 4 minutes. You can turn off the heat. Remove it from the steamer. Set it aside to cool down. Let it cool down for about 15 to 30 minutes before you consume it. These kuehs are very suitable to be eaten as breakfast, snack, dessert. Anku kuehs are made with a variety of stuffings, but the most common one is red bean paste. Once you have learned the basic, you can start making with other stuffing. You definitely have to try this recipe. Share with us your photos and your comments. Till we meet again soon. Vanakkam.
Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.